In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can reset your TikTok algorithm. You can simply reset your TikTok For You page in just few simple steps. To do this, simply open up your TikTok. On your profile page, tap on the three lines on your upper right corner. Select Settings and Privacy. On the Settings page, scroll into the section of Content and Display. Tap on this option of Content Preferences. On this page, select the third option of Refresh Your For You feed. Press on Continue and your For You page will get refreshed successfully. TikTok will detect and change your algorithm. You will only see videos of your own preferences. That's how easy it is to change your TikTok algorithm. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.